Welcome back RK Learning CAD friends. We are learning AutoCAD and in this AutoCAD lecture we will see next command. So let's start. So I have opened software. So today we learn friends polygon command. Okay. So today we discuss polygon command. So first we discuss rectangle command. So this rectangle command we can select here draw panel. So we can select from draw menu. Okay, and we can use shortcut. If you want to use shortcut method, so you type REC. After that you press enter. Here you give the first corner. Okay, so you give the first corner. Now see, we can see here downside, area, dimension and rotation. Three options have. So for the rectangle creation we have two options, area and dimensions. Okay, so area, if you know area, what is the area of rectangle, and one value means if you know length or width. Okay, so you can follow area method, but you know length and width both you know, so you can follow dimension method. Suppose my rectangle area have 1000 and length is have 25. Okay, so I choose your rectangle method, area method. So area method creation we can click here area, or we can press A enter. Okay, so A enter press. Now area I type 1000. So this is the multiplication of length and width. Okay, so press enter. Now area I have given. Now he asking me length or width, what value you have know. Okay, suppose I know length, so I click here length. If I know width, so I click here width. So we can use shortcut. L, length means we can press L enter, width means we can press W enter. Okay, so you want to click, so click, otherwise you type shortcut L enter. Now what is length? So I type here 25 length. Okay, see my rectangle created. So 25 this one. So width how much? You divide 1000 upon 25. Okay, so width is 40 coming. Understand? See here. So this is length, this is 25 which is I have given, and this is by default calculated he, this is coming 40. If you divide 1025, so this value coming. Okay, now we follow dimension method. Same rectangle we draw, but we give dimension value. So REC enter. Just give the first corner. After that choose method. So I choose here dimension method. So just type D enter. Otherwise you can click here downside. So I click here D enter. Now we give first length and we give second width. Okay, so length I give here 25. If you want to make same rectangle make, so 25 make enter. Width I give 40. See, but this rectangle no fix. Which location you want to fix, just click one time. Okay, so this is area method I create, this is dimension method I create. Now last option have in rotation. So rotation friends here no need to learn, because rotation command separate given here have. But if you want to learn here, so you can one time check REC enter. After that give the first corner point. Now I want to make rotate this rectangle some 45 degree. Okay, so just here one time R press and type angle 45. Now your rectangle rotate 45 degree. Now you can follow same dimension or area method. Okay, so if you follow area method, just A enter, type area 1000, type length 25. So just choose length. After that type length. See, so this is 25. This is angle have 45 degree. Understand? Check here, this angle have 45 degree. Okay, you can check here angular, select and select this one. See, if one time you choose rotation, so if you make another time rectangle, your rectangle coming 45 degree. Okay, see here. So again you want to normal, so again you type R enter and type rotation angle 0. Understand? Now we have some features. We can see When we select a rectangle, here we can see chamfer have, fillet have, and thicken value have, width have. Okay, so this chamfer command separate given have in this modify panel, modify menu. Okay, chamfer and fillet also given have separate, and width also given have in polyline. Okay, so one more time I teach here. Later if we learn chamfer and fillet separate, that time depth explanation. Okay, so I select rectangle. I want to make chamfer. Okay, so click on chamfer option, or you can press C enter. After that, give the first chamfer distance. I type here 5. Give the second chamfer distance. I type 10. Okay, so your only distance method followed. You click C. Your rectangle automatic chamfer coming. Now you can follow area or dimension method same. So okay, again REC enter. Same way, if you one time chamfer use, so next time again chamfer coming. Okay, so this one need to make a 0. So again REC enter, click on chamfer, you type 0, you type 0. Okay, now your rectangle normal coming. Same way, if you want to make round corner, round rectangle corner make a, so our rectangle command select, here go to fillet, just press F enter and type radius. I type 10. Now click here, see, now you can follow radius method or dimension method or area method. What method you want to follow, just A enter. So area I take 500 and length I choose type 20. See, so 500 divided by 20 means the value coming 25. Okay, now again if you make a next time rectangle, so this one automatic round coming, so this one also need to 0. Okay, REC enter, give the first of REC, just here fillet go type 0. Now rectangle coming. Okay, REC I want to make some given width, so W enter, type here 10. Give here, see. So this is thicken type, width type rectangle. Okay, so friends, this is all about our rectangle. I think you have understood how to use rectangle command. So please subscribe Akhil Learning Guide, and you can like video and share with your friends. So we will meet next video, and we will learn next one, polygon command. Okay, so have a nice day.